we are walking down the street, and this is the first time where it's actually a little dry today, because every other day has been raining. And even now, as we're walking down the street, you feel like little sprinkles of water on you, and people just honking at us. So don't really know what's going on.
We clearly look like tourists that were targets of honking.
So we were looking at the metro, and unfortunately there's only like 8 stops, and they don't go near anywhere we want to go. So we ordered a nice little Uber that's gonna get us there in about 20 minutes. It's still not really raining, so we're hopeful that we can get some cool shots and also visit the old town before sunset. So keep your fingers crossed.
Into the historical town in Panama City, and our Uber driver couldn't pass through and drop us off here because, is it Casco Antiguo? You can't make me speak Spanish, I'm really terrible at it. The Uber driver couldn't drop us off into the old town because the police were blocking off the entire street, the main street, and I think there was like a strike going on. He can only drop us off like a block away, and we're just gonna walk in and explore on our own. Look at these nice modern cobblestones.
Completely closed off because they have all of these gates here.
How's our tour so far?
Good. There's just a lot of construction going on, so I can see that they're trying to upgrade a lot of the buildings and the storefronts. There's also that police barricade. You know, it's definitely part of the experience of exploring. But it is beautiful. The architecture is stunning. You can see that there's so much history and culture inside. We're just excited that we get to walk around and it's still open and there's still daylight and it's not raining. Wow, look at this. You could see the whole skyline of the Panama City. It's so beautiful. And look at all the flags in front.
So we concluded our tour in the historical site in Panama City, which is Casco Antiguo. There's nothing really much to walk around there, but there are tons of restaurants, posh hotels, and dessert bars and ice cream spots and cafes. Maybe it's a low season for tourism, and there are a lot of like historical buildings that they're still trying to renovate and kind of rebuild in a way. But it's nice. Like, we saw two historical church that kept its original building structure, and they try to like rebuild the modern structure around it to preserve the front door, which is really awesome. And I'm glad we took this little excursion out today because now it's not so hot and we're walking by the bay with all these like flags around the country and the breeze is really nice. So we're just gonna stroll down to see the sunset in Panama.
Oh my god, we're still walking. I think it's about 30 minutes now.
At least 4 miles.
It's such a beautiful view of the water and of the city. And we're definitely clocking in our sweat coins, so make that money. Here we are. We couldn't find any other food, so we're ending up with our last final meal at B-Dubs, aka Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
In Panama City. I think this is the most American food that we've had, but we got boneless wings. And I'm super excited about it because we got 3 different flavors. We got the buffalo, we got the honey barbecue, and we got the chipotle seasoning. So we also got a garden salad, some french fries, and of course, celery stick and carrots. I'm super excited. I'm not using my fingers because we're classy. And let's eat because I am hungry.
Everything you wanted?
It's just as good as I remember.
Oh my god, the camera's not focusing. So we just finished our dinner in Buffalo Wild Wings and the food was pretty awesome. Really stuffed. Now we're heading back to the hotel. We're walking back to the hotel. It's not far actually. And how would you say our day went?
I mean, we got a lot of work done this morning and then we got to visit a lot of cool places in a short amount of time, and now we had dinner and it's only 7:30, so we're gonna head back, maybe get a nice shower in, and maybe watch some MasterChef because we love the show so much.
We deserve it from the 10,000 steps of walk today.
Are you filming? It just hit me that we're in Panama City, in a Lebanese restaurant, eating Lebanese cuisine, and planning for our flight to Peru. Just how small the world is, and it's just such an awesome experience to like have this whole like setup, and it's looking awesome. Like I can't wait to dig in.
I order like a barbecue chicken with 2 sides. I think it comes with rice and salad, which is what I picked. And we order like some sort of Lebanese banquet platter. I can see hummus, and that's it. And I think a falafel. That's a falafel. All right, you can't fill any of that. Definitely pita bread. We love pita bread, and they're like your big, like fried pita bread. So let's dig in. What's the name of our restaurant?
It's called Beirut. It's the capital of Lebanon.
We're getting the full experience. So after we ate and finished our food, our waiter cleared everything, and he brought us these 2 like shot glasses, and we were so stunned, like looking at each other like, what is this? And he was like, tea. So we're actually having tea after dinner. Cheers. It's not sweet. Good. We watch a lot of MasterChef and we see a lot of Middle Eastern cooking, but never really actually getting to taste it or experience it. So after our tea, our waitress or waiter came and surprised us with another sweet delight with the bill. So it's to sweeten the deal. Yeah, you have the credit card, right? I don't know what this is, but I figure these are pistachios with a few sweetbread. Oh my god, this thing is delicious. I taste like rose water with like a dairy like yogurt type thing, and with pistachios and like these sweet stuff. It's just really good. Oh my god. It's like an explosion in your mouth, and it's not very sweet, which I love. It's just like there's so much intense flavor, like with the rose water. You're gonna love it.